Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll tell you the battery maintenance tips on XIAOMI Robot Vacuum S40. So, when your robot is not cleaning, it's better to leave it on the charging dock like I have. So, in here is the home button, and when you click it, your robot will return to the station and just leave it on the charging dock. But if you're not using your robot for the long period of time, remember to charge it at least every 3 months to prevent deep discharge. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.